frame. They can't lie down or stretch their legs. They never see the light of day ever. And I mean never. Day in, day out, it's all the same. Ever. And I mean never. Your life is sent in vain. How is it? How do we hurt them? We turn our heads from their pain with no regard to how they're feeling. They spend their lives in such disdain. Can we not understand that they're on their hand? That it's all up to us, it's our job to help them. To spend your life, it's a smaller cage, not much larger than your body frame. You can't lie down or stretch your